What's up mga Beshi Wapsicles? Today, we are vlogging. This is the first vlog of the channel. So, today, we are going to a place. A place that I've never been before. Do you know? Ano kaya? Ano yung title? Okay, so, we are going to Calasiao, Pangasinan. Yeah! But first, we gotta pack. Like, tignan mo yan. Like, ano yan? Kailangan ko i-pack yan. Oh my God! Guys, ito po yung bag ko. It's very big. Expandable siya. Ayan, na-expand ko na siya. Ito po yung lagyanan ng mga undergarments and stuff, like yung mga bra and other stuff. And this is just po yung mga, let's see, yung mga lotion, ayan, my Milko and other stuff. So yan, damit. Ito yung damit na hindi ko dadalahin, except ito. This is important kasi it's perfect. Here, look at this. This is a turtleneck. I don't know why I'm bringing this. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kasi napakainit naman dito sa Pilipinas. But, it's fine. Sometimes you gotta endure the heat. Teka lang. Ba't ang dami kong pinapak? One day lang kami doon. Overpacker po ako. Kailangan po nag-overpack tayo. Kasi pag hindi, edi, paano pag may kulang? May kulang. Anong gagawin? Wala. Okay, so, ito pang swimming na lang to. Kasi hindi ako nakadala ng rash guard. And sando po ito. Sana po hindi po ko umitim. Thank you po. Wala po akong dalang sunblock. This one is a jacket. I have 2 jackets. The other one, ito na lang, pang tulog na lang po ito. It's kind of big, but it's okay. Pang tulog lang naman ito. Paano ulit magtupi? Yup, pwede. Pwede na yan. Basta na-fold. Okay. Let's go na. Ay, ito pa pala. Let's stop it. Okay, let's do what's in my bag. Kahit wala namang we're gonna put... What are we gonna put in my bag? Let's put my wallet, of course. Nandito yung kayamanon ko. Pero guys, sa totoo lang, 100 na lang pera ko. Perfume Dessert London is mine. Not sponsored. I wish, but... Yep. Our time zone card. This is an essential. Kung gusto mo mag-arcade. Arcade date tayo. Sige. Ako pa? Siyempre, hindi natin makakalimutan ng power bank. Because... I think ang kulang ko lang talaga is pocket wifi. Yun lang talaga. Itong suklay, lagi na lang natin dyan. Okay, we got the coin purse. Ay, may laman pa. We got our AirPods. Very, very needed. It is an essential po. And this one, charger. Ito na lang din yan sa loob. Kasi saan na ilalagay? Ito lang yung pocket sa labas. So, diba? Ito yung perfume. Ito pala. So, at least meron tayo. Ooh, I forgot. Ito pala. We've got Amy Esquire. Or pag Tagalog, Amy Esquire. Okay guys, so let's see. Let's check the fit. Boom! Go girl! This one. It is cool. There you go. Hey! Okay, I'm gonna use this. Boom. Yeah. I look so cool. Yun, nagkasya na guys. Finally. Pero napaka-bulky niya. So bulky. Kailangan. Who are they to judge? Okay. So, yun na tong backpack. I think. Ano ba? Yep. Ano pa ba? Let me check. Sabi ko, I'm here to check kung may dadalhin pa. ang ginawa ko, naghanap ako ng food. Ito po yung isa kong jacket. This jacket is from USPA or United States Polo Association. Yeah, ang ganda po siya. Ano siya? Bomber jacket. It's very nice. Very comfy. And it will definitely kill the coldness. And yan, medyo naayos na yung bag ko. Nahulog na pala. Ito po yung pizza natin. Oh, itong may kagat, tas itong dalawa na tira. Para na kung sino kakain dyan. Okay guys, we're outside now. And we're about to leave. Here's the car. Yeah. We're about to leave, guys. Hi guys. Time check, it's like 2:52. And we stopped over at Jollibee just to fill our empty stomachs. That's all. Okay, this is what I ordered. Of course, who doesn't love super meal? Yep, the fries is coming up for a while. Okay. Burger because I'm hungry. Hey guys, okay, so I think we're here, but we haven't gone in yet, so it's fine. My grandmother's house is at the back, like the back of the car, and we're just waiting for a while. Hey guys, we went in McDonald's to freshen up. I'm here in the bathroom. I'm just gonna go pee, okay? After that, we're gonna go back to my Lola's house and we're gonna spend a bit of time together, talk, maybe. Yeah, my dad just wants to visit him. It is 9:35 a.m. We're going to the hotel and take a nap because I am tired. Yeah. Guys, ito po yung lolo ko po. Hello po.
Ano kami?
Back in the car.
Uy!
My lolo is there. That's my mom. My lolo. We're going to leave na to the hotel. I'm gonna show you the montage. Don't worry. Guys, we're at the hotel. Let's go up. I just woke up from the car. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, guys. Guys, let's take a quick tour of the room. This is the front desk. Hi. This is me, my brother. This is probably the bathroom. And yes, it is. This is the shower. Another mirror. Wow, so great. Okay, we've got the cabinet. Ooh, cabinet. Okay, a great place to hide. We have 2 beds. Wow, how great. The main room, guys. What's in here? Nothing. Okay, guys, this is the room. Yun. So hot dito, pero ang ganda. Okay. This is, I think, fireplace here. So we have a rack. We have the pool. We have the stuff. Bush. And yeah, pwede tayo dito mag-chill for a while. And wala lang, time to sleep.